Lead generation, done for you, fast and economical. How would you like to have a VA who could do the heavy lifting for you? You know, all the prospecting that you have to do up front to find a customer. What if you only had to talk to the people who were interested in talking to you, the people who wanted to learn more? Check this out.
Finding new customers online is more important than ever, but for many business owners, it's always been too expensive and much too complicated. Until now. Introducing Nowsite. We find your future customers. Here's how it works. First, just tell us a bit about your business and you'll be up and running in less than 5 minutes. Then our team of marketing professionals will build your custom website, sales funnel, email, and social media campaigns to your exact specifications. Next, we'll start contacting hundreds of targeted prospects on your behalf every month. Yes, our marketers are real people, and they'll be working for you every day. And then, you'll start receiving notifications from prospects who are interested in your business. Just follow up and close these new customers. The Nowsite platform has every tool you need to market your business online like a pro. We'll even do all the hard work for you. Need a website? We'll build it. An email series? No problem. An SMS campaign or blog post? At Nowsite, your wish is our command. Just imagine having unlimited leads, a complete marketing system, and unlimited access to our team of marketing professionals. It's like having your own technology team and a full-service marketing agency for one low monthly price. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? That's why we guarantee high-quality leads for your business or your money back. Today, more than 50,000 business owners just like you trust Nowsite with their online marketing. It's affordable, it's easy, and most importantly, it just works. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today, and before you know it, we'll start finding your future customers.
All right, not sure if this makes sense for you? There are 2 links down below. One of those links will schedule a 30-minute call with me. Let's talk about your business. Let's see if it makes sense to have a system like this. Let's see if it'll work for you. If so, that'd be great. Love to work with you. The other link down below gives you all of the pricing for this system. If you do sign up for this system and you sign up under me, I'm going to do an onboarding call with you where I will go through the details, help you get your site all set up, as well as the company is going to do an onboarding with you that will give you their perspective and a lot of information from their side. So you're going to get a lot of training and a lot of support. So if you've got any questions, be sure to reach out to me. Let me know. Let's help you get some prospects moving through your business. That's it for today. I'll talk to you next time.